Hey everybody, Bruce here with Wanna Be Free. It is, what is it? Tuesday the 9th, I believe. And Thursday the 11th is when the RTR begins. I do plan on going to the RTR. I was originally planning on being there on the 11th, but that may change just a little bit, and I'll tell you why here in just a second. I'm still currently in a RV park here in the Phoenix area, staying with family at the moment. It's been a couple weeks since I've been out in the van, but it has been really nice to be here with family, with my parents, doing things with them on a daily basis, which I haven't been able to do for several years. So it's kind of bittersweet. I'm taking advantage of the fact that I can do that, as well as being out here in Arizona for the winter, which is awesome as far as I'm concerned. Weather's been really rough. It's been low to mid 70s during the day and low to mid 40s at night. It's been perfect. Oh my goodness, I can't complain. This particular park, there's a lot of jets that fly from I think it's Luke Air Force Base, pretty close to here. And they're, well, within their flight path anyway, because they're flying over the park all the time. So hopefully they don't fly over in the middle of my video. If they do, I'll have to cut it out. But this park is pretty cool. They have all sorts of things to do here. And one of the things that they do, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it, but it's called pickleball. It's kind of a cross between table tennis and real tennis, I guess. You play with a wiffle ball on a kind of a small tennis court and hit the ball back and forth. And one of my promises for myself on this trip is to get out and be more active and try to lose a few pounds and just get in a little bit better shape. So that's why I've been doing these hikes. And my sister invited me to go play pickleball with her once. So I've been doing quite a bit of that while I've been staying here, and actually got really addicted to the game. It's a blast. Not only is it great exercise, but it's a whole lot of fun. I took a fall a couple nights ago. Today's Tuesday morning. I took a fall on Sunday playing the game. You got to be careful. It's if you play too rough, you can really get hurt. But I fell down, scraped up my knee, and the worst part of it is I caught myself with my left hand, and I just happened to be left-handed. So I think I either sprained my wrist or broke a bone in my hand. I have ice pack on it right now. I don't know if you can see it or not, how swollen it is right through here. Darn it. I broke a bone in my hand when I was a kid, a teenager. My hand puffed up like a balloon, and if I remember correctly, it's been a long time ago. They didn't do much for it, just keep it iced, try to keep it as immobile as possible. Here goes one of the jets. So we'll let him pass. The sound of freedom, guys. I don't mind the sound at all. Anyway, I did not go to the doctor. I don't know. I don't think I hurt it too bad, other than a sprain. But anyway, it's caused me some problems with just everything I'm doing. It's hard to even get dressed in the morning just because of my hand, and that's my dominant hand. Anyway, I'm not making excuses, but I plan on going to the RTR on Thursday. That's 2 days from now. We'll see how it feels at that point. If it's still pretty sore and swollen and I can't use it very much, I may wait and head out on Monday, which would, I think, be the 15th. Just give it a few more days with ice packs and try to heal up a little bit, because I'm going to be out there by myself, and even just lifting my bed and getting into the refrigerator is going to be a challenge with my hand the way it is right now. Another jet Anyway, I do plan on making it to the RTR. I don't know if it'll be on Thursday the 11th, but it might be the next Monday on the 15th. All right, I'm excited to meet several people out there and get out and enjoy the weather and do the van camping thing, which is really the whole point why I even came down here in the first place. Finally getting around to getting that done. So I'm looking forward to seeing you out there if you're going, and if not, well, maybe we'll catch up with you somewhere down the road. But I plan on getting some good footage and make some decent videos. One other thing is I'm just really not sure for a couple weeks while I'm at the RTR if I'm going to be able to upload any videos, so my apologies for that. I don't have a data plan that's going to allow me to do that on my cell data. So what I will probably end up doing is just collecting the footage and editing the videos, and then when I get back to the Phoenix area after the RTR, then I'll just hit you guys with a barrage of my RTR videos. Hopefully I get some good footage for you guys and some things that you can watch and enjoy. Anyway, that's pretty well going to wrap it up for this one, guys. If you're going to the RTR, hope to see you there, and if you're headed out this way, travel safe.